In this lecture, we are going to look at how to plot with Pandas. Pandas makes this very easy since it provides instance methods on both series and data frames that automatically generate plots. So let's try a few. So we're going to do df open.hist. As you can see, this creates a histogram. How about df open plot? As you can see, this creates a line chart. By the way, these method names correspond to their matplotlib versions, which makes them easy to remember. We can also do more interesting plots, like the box plot. Now, of course, the box plot is useful for numerical columns, so let's select open, high, low, and close. So that would be df open, high, low, close. And we'll do plot.box. And so this is a box plot. Another plot that's very useful for getting a quick summary of your data is the scatter matrix. So let's plot this first and then we'll discuss what we're seeing. So we're going to import scatter matrix. So from pandas.plotting import scatter matrix. And then we're going to call this function. So scatter matrix, same data frame as above. And then we'll say alpha equals 0.2 and fig size equals 6,6. Okay, and this is a scatter matrix. So as you know that alpha equals 0.2 makes the dots have transparency and fig size makes the plot a little bigger so we can see it better. So what is this plot? Basically, this plot shows the linear correlation between each of the data columns. On the diagonal, we get a histogram of each individual column, so it lets us see the distribution of our data. In other words, this is a statistical summary of the data. We see what kind of distribution each column has and how they are related to one another.